10 years from now, eat this before sleep and wake up with stronger eyes. You and millions like you spend billions on new glasses, supplements, and pricey treatments while clinics and big drug companies walk away richer. But what if the real way to protect and even repair your vision isn't a pill or a surgery, but something already in your kitchen? You've probably been told that blurry nights, dry, gritty eyes, and cloudy mornings are just part of getting older. That's not true. I care about this because losing sight steals independence. And the goal here is simple. Give you real science-backed steps you can try tonight. In this video, I'll reveal 8 foods ranked from least to most powerful, plus exactly how and when to eat them, so your eyes can start healing while you sleep. Let's kick off with number 1. Sweet potatoes. Folks, these aren't just a boring side dish. They're eye superheroes hiding in plain sight. Packed with beta-carotene that turns into vitamin A, they feed those tiny retina cells that keep your night vision sharp. Eat them in the evening, and while you snooze, your body gets to work fixing the daily wear and tear. Bake or steam 1 medium spud with the skin on. No microwave, it zaps the good stuff. Toss in a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter for better absorption. Nibble it 90 minutes before bed. Warm, cozy, and your eyes will thank you come morning. Number 2. Wild-caught salmon. Oh man, this fish is a game changer. Loaded with omega-3s like DHA, that's the building block for your eyes' light-capturing cells, and astaxanthin, a shield against blue light from screens and lamps. Your retina is basically made of this stuff, so nighttime munching hands over the tools for overnight repairs. Go wild-caught only. Farm just doesn't cut it. Bake a 4-ounce fillet at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Sprinkle turmeric and pepper for an anti-inflammatory kick. Pair with quinoa to steady your blood sugar. 2 hours before lights out. Delish and dreamy for your peepers. 3. Goji berries. These little red gems. Total underdogs. They're bursting with zeaxanthin, the MVP for your macula, that spot handling fine details like reading faces or road signs. It blocks blue light like built-in shades. Nighttime's prime absorption hour, so your eyes soak it up during sleep's fix-it mode. Soak an ounce of organic ones in warm water for 10 minutes, or mix into Greek yogurt. Skip coffee nearby. It blocks uptake. Add raw almonds for vitamin E teamwork on retina strength. 1 hour pre-bed. Snack smart, C#. 4. Organic egg yolks. Forget the old ditch the yolk nonsense. It's the gold. Deep orange ones from pasture-raised hens pack lutein and zeaxanthin, crowding into your macula to cut glare and blue light blues. Cholesterol. It's the delivery truck hauling these heroes to your eyes. Evening timing lets sleep do the heavy lifting. Soft scramble 1 or 2 in butter. Low heat. Quick cook. No frying to death. With a dab of healthy fat, it's creamy comfort that rebuilds your vision overnight. Simple as eggs, big as clarity. 5. Bilberries. Ever hear of these? World War II pilots scarfed bilberry jam for killer night vision. Turns out they were onto something. Anthocyanins crank up rhodopsin, the protein for dark adaptation. Slows macular degeneration by 70% in studies. Less strain, sharper dark sight. Maybe ditching glasses. Raw or thawed frozen, juice and all. No citrus nearby. It mutes the magic. Pair with walnuts for fat-fueled inflammation fight. Evening handful, your secret weapon for brighter nights. 6. Black currants. Underrated purple powerhouses. Vitamin C toughens eye blood vessels, while rare GLA omega-6 calms swelling and feeds tissues. Drops eye pressure, sharpens sight. Huge for early glaucoma fears. 1.5 cups fresh or frozen, or 2 tablespoons seed oil before bed. Raw only, with yogurt or nuts for absorption boost. Your sleep squad, healing vessels, easing strain. 7. Saffron. The golden spice that fights back. Croquin and quercetin don't just stall vision loss, they revive deadened photoreceptor cells. Trials show 6 months of it restores retinal zip. Steep 15 to 20 threads in warm milk, not boiling, for 15 minutes. Sip an hour before bed. The milk fairy's at home. Calms you too, for deeper Z's. Weeks in, colors pop, night drives ease. Tiny threads, massive glow up. 8. Raw cacao, top dog. Pure unroasted stuff, not that processed junk. Epicatechin ramps blood flow to your retina, builds mini power plants in cells, even sprouts new optic nerve neurons. Seniors reverse diabetic damage with nightly hits. Blend 2 tablespoons powder with warm cashew milk, cinnamon, and a cayenne pinch. Empty stomach, 45 minutes pre-snooze. No Dutch processed, loses the spark. It's your overnight eye spa, wake clearer, bolder.